These are the report for the Russian Ministry of Defense on the status of the special military operation in Ukraine on Thursday, 13 August 2022. Peski in Donetsk People Republic was fully liberated as a result of the Allied forces' advance. Near the Gavrilovka rail station in Kharkov region, enemy reserves were attacked by high-precision long-range sea and land-band missiles by the multiple rocket launchers. Over 70 Ukrainian service members dead and 300 others injured. They are the 13th Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine. The portion of the railroad battalion is completely impassable. In the other attack, more than 170 nationalists and 12 pieces of military hardware were destroyed by the highly precise strike by the Russian Aerospace Forces against the temporary deployment point of the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade near Beresnoye in Donetsk People Republic. Two companies of the 72nd Mechanized Brigade were entirely destroyed during the Allied force offense in Artemivsk, Donetsk People Republic. More than 100 nationalists and 10 pieces of military hardware were destroyed as a consequence of the targeted attacks on the command centers of 66 Mechanized Brigade units and the right sector armed formation close to Strayeterny in Donetsk People Republic. Russia attacked the enemy from the operational, tactical, and army aircraft, missile forces, and artillery. The Donetsk People Republic HIMARS missiles launcher and its ammo storage facilities have been destroyed close to Kramatorsk. At a helipad close to Domayovka in Nikolaev region, two Mi-24 helicopters belonging to Ukrainian Air Force were destroyed. 4 command posts and 143 concentration of soldiers, weapons, military hardware, and specialized equipment have been also targeted. 3 artillery platoons of Akatsiya guns, 5 platoons of D-30 howitzers, 2 platoons at Great Multiple Rocket Launcher System near Soledar and Artemivsk, and 2 platoons of Great Multiple Rocket Launcher System near Mayarovsk, Zerzhin, Zanovka, Severs, Beresnoye, Yadolovka, Peredovka, and Fiemka. 4 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were destroyed by the Russian air defense system close to Centralnoye in Nikolaev region, Suligavko in Shestovo region, and Dimitrov in Kharkov region. In addition, 4 HIMARS rockets were shot down of the Kherson region Novaya Kakhovka. The operation resulted in the destruction of 4,297 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 267 Ukrainian aircraft, and 148 helicopters, 1,736 unmanned aerial vehicles, 365 anti-aircraft missile system, 3,295 field artillery and mortars, 4,858 units of the special military vehicles, and 798 multiple launcher rocket system. On the other hand, the Ukrainian government reported that until day 171, Russia also lost a significant amount of military hardware. 1,856 tanks, 193 helicopters, 230 planes and air defense system, 3,036 vehicles, 261 multiple launcher rocket system, 779 unmanned aerial vehicles, and 187 cruise missiles.